Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto-close feature on the Smart Power Tailgate for the all-new 2022 Kia Carnival. I have in front of me here an EX Plus 3.5 liter in Ghost Gray. Let's get started. Okay guys, to start us off, we're going to head into the 12.3-inch infotainment screen. We're going to swipe it to the left. We're going to head to Setup. We're going to go into Vehicle. On the left, we're going to head into Door, and we'll slide down to the bottom, and we're going to make sure that Liftgate Auto Close is activated. So now, when we go and open the rear tailgate, and we stand there with the fob, the rear tailgate's going to be looking for the fob the entire time. If it happens to detect that the fob is not there, it will then go ahead and start closing the rear tailgate for you. We're going to head outside, and I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, so now I'm going to open the rear tailgate with the fob. So I'm just going to press and hold the tailgate button, and it will then open. So now I'm going to walk up to the vehicle. I still have the fob on me. And it is now going to beep because it's looking for the smart fob. If I were to walk away with the smart fob, it's now beeping faster. And then it will automatically close because it does not detect the fob. So within about 3 seconds of leaving the vehicle with the fob, it will automatically close. I'm just going to open it back up once more. If you did have a situation where you were unloading the vehicle but you were walking away from it and then coming back again, you can hit the button here to turn the auto close off. Now, if I walk away and I have the fob on me, it's not going to beep looking for the fob. It'll just stay open until you're done and ready to close it. So go ahead and do that. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.